Managing labour data is a high-stakes gamble that can cost you not just time and effort, but in added expenses, higher contractor rates, lost productivity, and in a worst-case scenario, fatigue-related incidents. When your people and your assets hang in the balance, accurate, up-to-date data is crucial. Enter Prometheus Contractor Management. Prometheus Contractor Management bridges the gap between your maintenance employees, contractors, and your operations, finance, and executive teams. Use the suite of powerful tools to capture labour data in real time for your staff and your contractors, so that you can use one system for time and attendance data, ensure compliance with governing regulations and unions, improve productivity, predict fatigue risk, optimise overtime assignments, and make approvals or adjustments fast. Intelligent software helps to eliminate redundancy and reduce human error by auto-applying complex wage rules, calculating workers' fatigue scores, and levelling overtime. And like all products in the Prometheus platform, Prometheus Contractor Management readily exchanges data with your existing ERP or CMMS, such as SAP, Maximo, Oracle, and others. It also integrates seamlessly with your other asset management solutions. Prometheus Contractor Management. The right data, accurate, synchronized, at your fingertips.